zinsuku zimnyama, mathole omgquba, zinkokheli zethu, unkosazana uNikiwe, uMangxabane uFreeman Secretary Mthokozo uNoyiwomdashi, uzalwa nguMacebo uMatshaya Lithanda Lambili, uJobe uMpondomisa, wazalwa nguMamqwatha uMlawu uBhasi, eyokalondazalwa komqwatha koNoni Nkosindini. Lapho ke namhlanje, just for the benefit of people that I want to dedicate this video to, I will also mix so that this message can go straight to them. I came to Zambia last week on Wednesday to attend the Gqomboka ceremony in Barotseland, in Mongu district, and I was warmly received by the Lozi people, and more especially Prince Akashambathwa, who is the grandson of King Lugosi Liwanika, who is one of the founders or contributors to the formation of the ANC. So when I got to Mongu, I was well received, and I was actually briefed about this very important history, that we are here in in Zambia, we are here in Lusaka, but we also have in the Western Province a kingdom that contributed to the formation of the ANC. And I am in Lusaka, where there is a house that kept one of the presidents of the ANC, which is O.R. Tambo, from Mpondoland, Gauteng. So I just want us to reconnect, because every time we hear that ANC was formed by traditional leaders, was formed by our kings. But why is it important that I do the work I do as the founder of the African Indigenous Leaders? Is because we have to connect as traditional leaders, we have to connect the kingdoms. And it is very important now that there are other kings that are not based in South Africa, are based in other countries, but they have always fought with us in South Africa for the liberation, to fight against apartheid. We know that even during the arrest of Nelson Mandela, a lot of other Africans, I was in Jamaica, I was told that Jamaica was one of the countries in the Caribbean that every time artists created songs, they signed petitions to release Nelson Mandela from prison. So it is very important that we do not allow politics to separate us from who we are, separate us from our kingdoms, because our traditional leaders still play a very important role in our rural development, in our communities, in bringing people together, not just culturally, but as governors of the land. So I want to say thank you again to Zambia, thank you again to Lusaka, thank you to the Gqomboka organizers, who also of the Barotseland. I was also blessed to meet His Majesty Lugosi Liwanika III. I was very blessed to have met and spoken to him as someone who came all the way from South Africa. We are home. I was saying this and I'm saying it, wherever we go, we are home. Tanzania has kept some of our MK warriors that were fighting against apartheid. In Lusaka, they were kept. In other countries, we know that they have kept, even in Swaziland, they had these camps. So let's push unity. Let's not allow anything, even the politics, anything to separate us as Africans. We are one. Let's love each other. Let's protect each other. Peace in our land.